To make 3D photos for Galaxy XR on Samsung Galaxy S26, first of all, you will need to open your camera app. Next step is to navigate to those four dots and then we can go into camera settings. Now scroll all the way down and then we can enter Camera Assistant. If you do it for the first time, it will ask you to download Camera Assistant plugin from Galaxy Store, agree to it, and then when it's downloaded, open it again. Now if we scroll down, we'll be able to find 3D capture and you can turn it on and off. When it's on, you can then go back to your standard photo mode and look for this icon in the top right corner. You can click on it to turn on 3D capture and then follow instructions on screen. You need to be far away from the object that you want to photograph, and then you can finally take a photo and use it in Galaxy XR. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.